Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be updating my LEGO 5s tutorial. So without any further ado, let us begin. The first minifigure you'll need is the 501st Jet Trooper, and you're going to want to take the legs, the arms, the hands, the head, and the helmet. The next minifigure that you'll need is the 212th Airborne Trooper from 2020, and you're going to want to take its Kama. The torso that we're using will be coming from the ARC Trooper minifigure. I'm using the cool new shoulder piece that you get with the LEGO 5th Brother minifigure. Finally, I would recommend for his helmetless appearance using the head from Tech and then the hair from Finn. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look like this, or like this, depending on which appearance you wanted. If you need a reference photo for when you're putting your minifigure together, you should pause on either of those two images. I'm personally quite happy with the way that this minifigure has turned out. I may update some more tutorials in the future, so this is just a warning now. If you have any ideas for any future customs that I should make or any future video ideas, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. You may be interested in my Clone Commando Gregor tutorial, so I'll put that on the end screen as well as the Purist Custom playlist. Feel free to click those if you're interested.